How to mess up your life quickly. Hey there, warriors of self-destructs. Today, let's delve into the art of fast-tracking your journey to life's rock bottom. Step by step, we'll guide you to the dark side. Buckle up for the ride. Step 1. Shut yourself in. Keep away from people, slouch, look down, and avoid eye contact. Build a wall of isolation. Less connection means drifting away faster. Step 2. Fake busyness. Stick to your phone. Always look busy, and keep your distance. The less you interact, the better. Make being clueless your default setting, and let real connection slip away. Step 3. Love being late. Be fashionably late everywhere. Procrastinate. Be unprepared, and let time control you. Who needs to be on time anyway? It's a shield against the unknown, the uncomfortable. Step 4. Blame game. Take no responsibility. Blame others like a pro. Excuses are your armor, protecting you from owning up. No apologies, no lessons learned. Step 5. Let life happen. Think life just happens to you. Tell yourself you're just a puppet in fate's play. Give up control, and watch your destiny slip away. Step 6. Center of attention. Make every talk about you. Steer it back to your stories, your struggles. Let others become spectators in your life's drama. Step 7. Be a critic. Enjoy criticizing others. Point out flaws. Sneer at imperfections. Surround yourself with negativity. And love the drama you create. Step 8. Be unpredictable. Wear masks. Be a mystery. Live many lives. Be strange even to yourself. Lose your identity. And become a chameleon in the shadows. Step 9. Wish for a nothing. Reject planning and prayers. Daydream about a perfect world, while ignoring your reality. Refuse to shape your destiny actively. Step 10. Shrink away. Do things that weaken you. Choose the easy way. Avoid challenges. Convince yourself that what's good for you is bad, and what's bad is good. Step 11. Feel hopeless. Believe you're beyond help. Accept your flaws as unforgivable. Live as if you've been dead for years, stuck in a story that says change is impossible. Now, here's the twist. In this journey to self-mess up, maybe you'll see the person you could be. Use this darkness as a mirror, a reflection of what not to become. Choose the opposite. Rise from the mess and forge a path towards self-discovery and growth. Your redemption story starts by acknowledging the destructive path and steering away from it. It's time to choose a different story, a life worth living.